On Monday evening, in the second drone attack in Manipur, similar to the first one, 3 people were injured. This morning at the attack site at Sanjam Chirang, evidence of the newest threat, the bomb and the mortar shells. In Kadangband, locals are still looking for unexploded bombs.
3 बम फटा यहाँ पे 3 बम फटा और एक बम तो जो नहीं फटा है और हमने आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया हाँ रिटालिएशन तो हमारे तरफ से किस तरह से रिटालिएट करेगा अभी ये तो एरियल अटैक है
The man in charge of maintaining law and order in Manipur, DGP Rajiv Singh, was himself at ground zero, facing tough questions.
We have spoken to everybody from here to Delhi और वहाँ दिल्ली में भी NSG से भी हम लोगों ने बात किया है, DG NSG से बात किया है, उनकी टीम से बात किया है, प्लस और भी एक्सपर्ट्स आ रहे हैं. हम लोगों ने कमिटी भी एक बनाई है कि ये ड्रोन के बारे में पूरा ये पढ़ने के लिए एंड समथिंग टू डू काउंटर करने के लिए उसको.
But the big question is, did the Manipur police and other agencies overlook a warning? NDTV has accessed this letter sent to the security establishment from the Chief Minister's office on the 3rd of April. The letter asked the DGP to install anti-drone system in the Raj Bhavan compound, the Chief Minister's Secretariat and the Assembly Secretariat. In June this year, Assam STF had arrested a person who was carrying drones that were meant for a terror group operating in the Imphal Valley region. In the same month, again Assam STF nabbed another person who was carrying 10 batteries of very high-end, high-tech drones. At that point of time, Assam STF had not only claimed that it was a major breakthrough, but had alerted all the security agencies. Civil society groups of Imphal Valley have some tough questions for the government.
Why the Indian government is not seriously taking about this kind of warlike situation? Kuki militant is trying to divide our India. I think one question to the government of India: what is the policy of the national interest of India toward Northeast India?
The Manipur Chief Minister has finally reacted to the escalation. In a post on social media platform X, calling drone attacks on civilian population an act of terror. With BM Sanju in Imphal, Devanish Acham in New Delhi, Ratndeep Chaudhary for NDTV.